Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for simonsaysstamp.com, and today I'm creating a Christmas display project using the Tim Holtz Curio Clock. I'm also using the Tim Holtz Christmas cutout dies, and these are perfect to create a scene inside the clock. To get this started, I've die cut all my pieces using the Simon Says Stamp 120 pound cardstock, and I'll be gluing these together to create sturdy pieces. I've also drilled a hole in the back piece of the clock, and I had to punch it first with a nail and then drill. And it is a little bit sharp, so watch that inside. And I've created a piece of chipboard that will work as a ledge to hold my houses and trees. To get this started, I'm going to cover the chipboard with some white gesso, and I will be speeding this up and putting it to some music since it did take a little bit of time, but I wanted to capture all the details. So I hope you can sit back, relax, and enjoy. did add a few things. I added happy holidays to the outside of the clock along with some silver droplets. I also wanted to show you that I suspended the moon and the clouds by just adding some hot glue onto the backing, and then I added a droplet or a star for the clouds. And these will move around, so if you shake it, it becomes interactive. What I didn't realize when I was making this is when you turn the lights on, you can still see the lights through that glitter paper, just very slightly. But I love how this illuminates, and it'll be a really fun gift to give away for the holidays. I do have all my supplies listed in the description box below if you're interested in making this project, along with a link to our blog post for more information. I hope you've enjoyed this process, and as always, thanks so much for watching.
I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.